Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Delilah Rieger, a white female, 17 years old, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 185 pounds, red hair and blue eyes, last seen in the area of the 5500 block of Executive Drive in Newport Richey, Florida, who was last seen wearing a white sweatshirt, dark leggings, a black backpack, and a black purse. Delilah may be traveling in a silver Mercedes sedan. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Newport Richey Police Department at 727-841-4550 or 911.